We are here in Rochester, New York, and we are so proud to have the University of Rochester be the first institution to host the Tideswell Emerging Leaders in Aging program.
The Tideswell Emerging Leaders in Aging program is so important to the future of geriatrics because we need leaders into the future to help take care of older adults. You know, the fastest growing segment of our population are people who are 85 and older.
We now have trained over 188 emerging leaders who are now department chairs, division chiefs, leaders in their communities around aging and healthcare, and we are delighted by the individual impact each of these leaders are having.
The Tideswell program is huge for me. It allows me to understand better how to collaborate with people and to think more deeply about the population I'm serving.
It's really enhanced my professional development. You know, a lot of the stuff here is not taught in medical school or fellowship. Practical aspects of how to be a leader, how to think about culture change.
I'm here today as a mentor now, where I want to give back and provide, as much guidance and mentorship as I can give to the scholars, and it's a wonderful pipeline, and the community continues. Once you're a part of Tideswell, you're always a part of Tideswell.
I'm just absolutely thrilled to have Tideswell here in Rochester. It kind of is full circle, because I started out with the first Tideswell cohort, and now Tideswell comes to my hometown here, and it is just such a delight for us to be able to highlight not only what we do great in Rochester with geriatrics, but also to welcome such esteemed colleagues and the future generation of leaders right here through the University of Rochester.
I am beyond proud and happy to be here as a member of the Rochester community, as well as the University of Rochester. I often tell my trainees that geriatrics started in Rochester, so I think it only makes sense that Tideswell is here in Rochester.
I think the aging community in the division in Rochester has been really strong, and the fact that people are coming here to participate in the program in Rochester, I think I'm really proud.
I highly encourage other divisions of geriatrics and institutions to consider hosting this conference.
The program has delivered on so many promises, and it has actually exceeded our wildest imagination in its success. So we now have a national community of leaders in the field of aging all across the country. People are reaching out to each other to solve the hardest problems in aging, and they no longer have to do it alone. They can do it with each other.
We are deeply grateful for the University of Rochester hosting this event. They have taken the lead in actually showing to the rest of the country how important this kind of work is by sponsoring this activity, by supporting these emerging leaders, and by investing in the care of older adults in the way that this program does.